We have a mild hyperbaric chamber at our office, and it feels so relaxing and amazing. And so it's a bigger one that you can actually put a wheelchair in if you need to. You can either sit in this chamber or you can lay down, take a nap. And we have an oxygen nozzle that you can then do a cannula to do extra oxygen into the body. The hyperbaric chamber is creating pressure into the body. So it's not that we're adding the oxygen, but the hyperbaric chamber itself is creating pressure to get the oxygen that's in the body, and it's going to push it into smaller areas. And so a lot of people use the hyperbaric chamber for brain issues, and it helps that oxygen get up into the brain and get into these areas. The pressure forces that liquid to be moved into these areas that aren't getting the blood and lymphatic getting into those spots. So it feels amazing, and it feels very relaxing, and you feel clearer and more relaxed afterwards. Thank you.